Okay, this time we're going to make a custom element. So we're going to begin with custom element. I like to save all of my elements in a folder called elements. And we're going to call this custom element woohoo. And woohoo is going to move this Polymer import here, over there. And to declare it, use DOM element. ID is woohoo. So you have the template, and that's going to be all of your HTML that's going to be imported. We also have the script and the style sheet. So in the script is where we're going to have the Polymer tag. And the most simple thing that you need is and woohoo. That lets the browser know that this DOM element woohoo is registered with Polymer. Then to grab this, we're going to move all of our template information over there for the repeater. And we're just going to get rid of all this, so we don't need it anymore. We'll keep the hello world just to make sure things are working, and then we'll add our tag woohoo. That's all we have in index.html. Over here, let's see, instead of ID, we're going to turn this into items. We're going to say, repeat me. With a Polymer element, anything that you want to be publicly accessible and changeable, you put in the properties tag. For example, this items here would be an attribute that you put in the properties tag. So we're going to put repeat me. Do this is another type. This is going to be an array. And we're going to put an observer on here just so we can make sure things work. An observer is a function that's called whenever the value changes. So our observer is going to be me changed. Okay. And actually, we're going to go and start off with the value so we can make sure everything else is working right. We'll just keep them all ones for now. Okay, repeat me items. Let's see if this works. And it doesn't. Oh, so we need to import woohoo into our page. Link row import href is equal to, we have it all elements. And there we are. This effect is not a function. So it worked. We did get an error. Let's see if we can track that error down. We'll look over that for now. Oh, because we don't have a function for repeating. Okay, so after our properties, we want another function. This is going to be called the repeat me. And we're just going to have it say, this repeat me. Let's see if we get rid of that error now. There we go. So our index got cleaned up quite a bit there. And let's add a button so we can manipulate woohoo. Tickle. There we go. And we need to give that some information. My script tags are not working well in here. Okay. Document, query selector, woohoo, dot, we call it, repeat me. And let's give it some more information. Let's let it count properly this time. There we go. And just to make sure things work, updated woohoo. Tickle's not defined. Oh, this all needs to be in a function, doesn't it? Cool. And I gotta put parentheses. One more time. Tickle. Tickle worked. And we could even have more fun by just adding things to the array. Can you push an array to an array? I don't think you can do this. Nope. But we can merge it. Maybe. Maybe I'm thinking that's PHP. Yep, we can't merge that. Anyway, how about we just do this instead? No, we'll leave it there. I'm not going to screw around with too many things. So, that's our function. Click me. And we update the woohoo array. Boom. So, let's clean it up this way now. Tickle, we're going to make tickle a function of woohoo. So instead of having all this here, I'm going to keep that all as clean as possible. Instead, I like to try to keep my functions alphabetized, and also the private ones. It begins with an underscore. It's mostly considered private. That doesn't mean it's fully protected, but it's private. Keep those last. So we're going to make tickle. Now, this that repeat me. And for fun, let's see how we can merge that. Merge arrays, concat. That's the term I was looking for. This that repeat me dot concat. One of these days. Looks like this should work. Oh. We'll do this. Make a base array. This is what I was looking for originally. I just went around a big circle to do it. Now we can keep adding things. So it's all about try again, and then look at the errors and figure out what you're screwing up on. So this is a basic example of a custom element with its own properties and functions. And we have the log for whenever repeat mean changes. We really don't need this base array anymore. Yeah. Easy example. I'll save it here and move on to the next video.